Hello class, this is off of the measurement conversions worksheet. This is problem number 3, and it says Trudy wants to surround her garden on all 4 sides with fencing. Her rectangular garden is 270 centimeters by 130 centimeters. How many meters of fencing will she need? Okay, well, as we noticed that the measurements are done in centimeters, but we want to know how much fencing will she need in meters. So this unit of measurement is being converted. Okay, so this is the whole point of this homework. So I drew her garden here, and it says it's a rectangular garden, so I drew a rectangle. The longer side is the 270 and the 130 is the other side. So 270 by 130 is her garden. Now, if I want to know how much fencing I'm going to need here, 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 they only give me 2 sides of the rectangle. So I'm going to have to find the perimeter, meaning I know that this side is 270, and then the opposite to 130 centimeters is the same thing. So 130, 270. So I'm going to write those down. So this would be 270 centimeters as well. This one would be 130 centimeters. Okay. So my way of solving this, I would find the perimeter first, then I will convert to meters. Because if I could find the total amount of fencing I'm going to need in centimeters, I could easily switch that to meters. So perimeter, I have 270 plus 270 plus 130 plus 130, meaning I'm adding up all the sides to see how long that fence is. It ends up being 100 centimeters of total fencing. So I don't want to know centimeters, but I want to know meters. So I can look in our book. Y'all's book has, towards the end, has all the unit conversions, how many meters are in a mile, or how many centimeters are in a meter, stuff like that. So as we see, we know that there's 100 centimeters. Most of y'all know this already. 100 centimeters and 1 meter. So if I know I have 800 centimeters, I'm going to multiply by that conversion factor. Okay, it has to be a fraction like that. Now, I have to relate both what I'm using, the unit I'm using, so centimeters, in this, my conversion factor has to include centimeters and meters. Okay, because I want my answer to be in meters. Okay, so that's why 100 centimeters is the same thing as 1 meter. It doesn't affect this answer. So this is the proper way of writing this, setting up this dimensional analysis. And I see that centimeters here cancel out, okay? And I'm left with meters, which is what I want. So this, in other words, is saying 800 times 1, which is 800, over 100. You could plug that in your calculator, or you just cancel out these zeros. I'm left with 8 meters.